I'm Gareth. I call myself an IT consultant, so I do a big range of things, from looking after a couple of small one-man bands with one or two computers through to there's a couple of multinational PLCs that I look after. So I was listening to This Week in Tech and Security Now, so figured from the advertising on that, I thought I'd give you guys a go and see what it was all about. I'll watch a video in my lunch break or something like that. I'll stop for half an hour while I'm eating. I'll watch a video. You guys are all quite relaxed about it. It seems like you're all quite friendly with each other, and I think that makes it easier to listen to what's being said as well. It's not just somebody in front of a camera, monotone. It's more friendly. There's a bit of chat. There's a bit of backward and forward. I'd definitely say it's worth it. I mean, particularly if you have an exam that you want to pass, then definitely go. Grab a subscription. Get through that course, but then there's so much other stuff in there that I've then kept it going, because actually just having it there as a go-to place if I do need to know something, just to go and find out, is well worth the money.